Hey guys, welcome to SB Basic. Today on Cooking on Board, I'll be making chicken Milanese. It's a family favorite and it's always a hit with Emma. Simple to make and really quick. I really don't feel like making a fancy dinner or something elaborate.
Fancy? Chicken Milanese is fancy.
It just sounds it, but it really isn't. It's really easy to make and Emma just loves it. So do you.
I do.
Yeah. So I'm going to show you how to do it today.
Sounds good to me.
Let's get going.
Okay.
So one of the first things I have to do, since I am using chicken breast, which tends to be very lean and dry, I'm going to go ahead and marinate it in buttermilk, which really tenderizes and really brings the juices back into the breast. I don't have buttermilk, so I'm going to make my own, which I did here. And it's just a cup of milk and a tablespoon of white vinegar. It's been sitting here for about 5 to 10 minutes, and so now I'm going to go ahead and pour that over the chicken breast.
Easy.
Yeah. So before I put the buttermilk mixture into the chicken, I'm going to just kind of infuse the buttermilk with a little bit of garlic and onion powder, just to give it a little bit of extra zip, I guess, or just a little bit more depth and flavor. Alright, so now that the chicken has tenderized in the milk bath, I'm going to go ahead and drain it and pat it dry, and let's start pounding it to the right thickness.
That's your favorite thing, isn't it?
I kind of do like it. I know you hate it,
oh,
but
God, it shakes the boat.
It gets the aggression out, so I really like it.
So how thick do you pound those? I mean, how thin?
About, I'm going to pound them
quarter
to like
inch,
this.
5/16?
Sure, I don't know. Okay, a little tip. I always put a towel down underneath the cutting board or any cutting board. It helps with the sound, and it also, since I'm going to pound the living daylights out of this chicken breast, that it doesn't hurt your precious countertops.
Well, it shakes the boat.
Let's get started. Alright, let's get the aggression out. Okay, chicken has been pounded. Now I'm going to go grab the egg, flour, and panko to get started on the next step. Alright, Emma, so I'm going to do the first one, and then you're going to do the next one, okay? So I'm going to show you. I season first, and then both sides. Okay, so you season a little bit more. Yep, that's perfect. Okay, go ahead and put it in there. Lay it down flat. And you can use your hands and just kind of sprinkle it on because we want to get it off.
Okay.
Then you get it into the egg bath.
And then you flip it over?
Yep, flip it over. Ooh!
Good job.
Not bad. Okay.
Okay.
And then you pat it.
And then you
flip it over. See, you did really good.
What oil are you using?
I'm using canola oil. And we're going to use quite a bit of this because I want it to kind of do a half bath of it. We'll get it all heated up and then I'll start putting in the chicken.
Nice.
The good thing about this is that it actually cooks really fast.
Good.
Just because I pounded it down so good.
It was terrifying.
Oh, you love it.
I know.
Alright, I'm going to test to see if it's hot enough. Looks like it's hot enough.
Do I need to stand back?
Actually, I'm going to open this to get a little air.
Okay.
It's nice and toasty.
Can you get all three in there?
No, just 2. I'll sit there for a little bit until it gets brown.
Nice.
Time for the flip.
Looks perfect.
So I'm just about done. That's my fancy chicken Milanese. After this, I'll put in the last one and I will go ahead and saute up some greens and we are ready for dinner.
Nice.
You guys hungry?
I'm hungry.